Anywhere you go, you belong.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be testing out the Tymo Hypersonic Professional Hair Dryer. This blow dryer is so cute. I got it on a Black Friday deal, yes. Look at this little cute little bag that it came with. Oh, just in love. I think I might use it as a makeup bag because it doesn't seem to fit everything that's in the box. So anyways, yes, I bought this on a Black Friday deal. It was $103, originally $200. I know it's a little bit pricey, but yeah, I had to have it. It has a little diffuser, and it has those two little concentration nozzles. One is for smoothing and the other one is for styling. This blow dryer is a lot lighter and quieter than your average blow dryer, and it comes with LED lights that indicate the speed and the temperature that will be located in the back. You guys will see that when I finally turn it on. The blow dryer also comes with this little cute brush, and if you click the button, the button that my finger's near, if you hold that down for 3 seconds, it has an auto cleaning on there too. I will show you guys that further in the video. I'm starting off on a fresh wash and go. I use 4C Only's leave-in conditioner and styling cream. I noticed that a lot of people weren't doing that, so I wanted to try it and see how it worked on my hair. It left me with a lot of volume, and it felt very moisturized. So here's my hair semi-stretched. Now it's time to prep it for the blow dryer. I started off by doing small sections, but over time I started to do bigger sections because I noticed it was creating a lot of frizz. I set the blow dryer to the highest heat setting, and then I realized after I was editing that I didn't use the styling nozzle. So here's the styling nozzle on the right side, and then I also have the smoothing nozzle. They look the same, and then we have the diffuser. Everything is magnetic. Here I am showing you guys the auto cleaning setting that the blow dryer has. It cleans it for like 3 seconds. I don't know how well it's cleaning it, but yeah, thought that was pretty neat. And here I am just showing you guys how it works using the nozzle. So the pros and cons of this blow dryer. The pros, the features. I love how it has that auto clean button on there. I don't know why I need it, but I just think that's really cool. I love how you can see the temperature on the back and how hot it is and stuff. I love how lightweight it is. I love the way it looks. It's really cool. But the speed, the temperature is not there. I feel like if my hair was wet, I would be here all day trying to blow dry my hair. Yeah, it's pretty slow compared to the blow dryer I originally have that was like, what, 40 bucks? I was expecting a lot more because, you know, this is $103 blow dryer. You would think it would heat up pretty quickly. I didn't like the fact how when you go to turn it on, you have to hold it down for like 3 seconds and then it turns on. I feel like if I want the blow dryer on right now, like I don't want to have to wait for it to turn on. I don't like that feature. Um, Another thing, I don't like how it didn't come with a comb attachment. And if it did come with a comb attachment, I feel like it would be World War III with me and this blow dryer, because it's magnetic and I feel like it would just keep popping off. This blow dryer was made for people that had straighter, finer textures. This is not for kinky curly hair, because guys, I'm telling you, if my hair was completely dry and it was taking me forever just to stretch my hair, so I can only imagine if my hair was wet how this blow dryer would work. So is it worth the hype? Absolutely not. Is it worth the price? Hell no. It's not worth the price at all. I wanted this blow dryer to work so bad because I spent so much money, but I feel that I'm going to have to return it. It's just not worth it, and I'm kind of sad. After stretching my hair, I usually apply some oils to my scalp. I like to massage it in really good, and yeah, this completes this wash day routine. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my social medias, that'll be down below. And comment down below if you guys use this blow dryer before.